unveiling the story behind a Renaissance beauty's restoration, a journey into art conservation, a tale of a doomed party girl's portrait. Imagine a painting, hidden beneath layers of time and mystery, waiting to be brought back to life. This is the story of Isabella de Medici, a notorious party girl and the art conservator who gave her a second chance. Ellen Baxter, the chief conservator at the Carnegie Museum of Art, has a unique talent. She sees paintings not as static objects, but as dynamic, layered compositions. And when she laid eyes on a 16th-century portrait, she knew something was amiss. The unveiling of Isabella, initially believed to be a portrait of Eleanor of Toledo, the painting's true subject was revealed through a meticulous process. Baxter's keen eye and a trusty Google search led her to uncover the stamp of Francis Leadham, a 19th-century reliner, who transferred paintings from wood panels to canvas. An X-ray confirmed her suspicions, revealing a lasagna of layers. As the dirty varnish and Victorian paint were carefully stripped away, the strong features of Isabella de Medici emerged. Isabella, the beloved daughter of Cosimo I de Medici, was known for her lavish parties and scandalous behavior. She enjoyed a freedom uncommon for noble women of her time, but her brother Francesco had no intention of continuing this indulgence after their father's death. Isabella's fate took a tragic turn in 1576. The official story claimed she died suddenly while washing her hair, but rumors suggested she was strangled by her husband, Paolo, out of revenge for her affairs or to clear the way for his own marriage. The urn's significance. Baxter noticed that the urn Isabella holds was not part of the original painting, nor was it added by Leadham. Its resemblance to the urn used by Mary Magdalene to anoint Jesus' feet led to speculation that Isabella herself requested its addition, perhaps in an attempt to redeem her image. This is literally the bad girl seeing the light, Louise Lippincott, the museum's former curator, said, a conservator's dilemma. Despite her admiration for Isabella's liberated spirit, Baxter resisted the urge to embellish. As a conservator, her role is to repair and restore, not to impose her artistic vision. It's a delicate balance between preserving history and bringing it back to life. I'm not the artist. I'm the conservator. It's my job to repair damages and losses, to not put myself in the painting, she explained. This story is a testament to the power of art conservation, where hidden treasures are uncovered and historical figures are brought back to life, layer by layer.